In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Apps. Then hit Default Apps under General and manage all of those sections however you want to. In my case, Browser app. Now, when I go into Play Store, click on the search bar and download my new app that I wish to use as my default browser. I can see it accessible over here. To apply it, tap on it and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!